You're right everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be driving to the shops because there's something that I need to buy. Then we're going to be heading to the gym, so I'm going to bring you guys all along. First of all, I got the job that I was talking about. So yeah, really happy about that. And my new workplace is no longer in walking distance of my house. So you can expect some more driving to work videos. I think I might be the only person in the world that's happy that my new workplace is further away, because it just gives me the chance to drive more and therefore make more videos. And yeah, really looking forward to getting started. I mean, I say that, I've still got a 4-week notice period that I need to work, so we're not home and dry just yet. And you know, leaving my job had me thinking the other day, like, and this is something that I always think when I drive past like my old school or my old workplaces, it's like, when you're there, the things that happen there seem so important, right? But as soon as you leave, like the workplace or the school that seems so important at the time, just becomes, you know, another building, and it no longer has any effects on your life whatsoever. And this can be, you know, taken for better or for worse. I guess it depends on your outlook and whether you like, you know, school or your job. But I guess you just got to enjoy things for what they are, and you know, on the other side, not worry too much about things. We're kind of running against time here, so it's currently 7 minutes past 4 and the shops close at 30:30. And there's a couple of shops that I need to go to, so we're gonna have to speed run it a little bit here. I feel like I say that a lot in my videos, like, oh, I was thinking about this the other day, I was thinking about that the other day. If I was alive like 2,000 years ago in ancient Greece, I would have definitely been a philosopher, sitting around thinking about stuff. Is anyone watching this video into philosophy? I've been trying to get into it recently. I read Meditations by Marcus Aurelius like 5 years ago, which is pretty good, but I never really read anything after that. But yeah, I don't really know where to start, so if anyone's got any recommendations, then let me know in the comments. Is it just me who always checks the door's actually locked after you've locked it with a key? Always got to check, you know. The Aygo's too luxurious, can't believe it's a chance. Looks like parking's free today, so. All right, first stop, M&S. There's one thing that I come here for every time, and that is this right here. Maturing is realising that this is the nicest chocolate there is. And the next stop, Argos. Why is there so many variants of AA batteries? Right guys, we secured the goods. We've got the dark chocolate and the batteries. I swear, whenever I go shopping in my videos, I buy the most random stuff ever. New wipers coming in clutch. It's because I use buying something as an excuse to come out for a drive. You know, most people use driving as a means to go out and buy something. I'm the other way around. I use buying something as a way to get out in my car. I say that, but I did need batteries. As for why I needed batteries, it's because I bought some lights for my shelves where I've got my Manga collection, and they're battery powered because I didn't want to, like, you know, drill through my shelves and stuff. So I'll set them up later and I'll throw a picture on the screen here of how they turned out. But yeah, we made it just in time. It's 27 minutes past. Oh, should we do our good deed of the day and let this Skoda out? Not even a thank. You know, speaking of my previous shopping endeavours on the channel, you guys remember when I bought 2 phone chargers? I think it was in the 3-month review of the Aygo video, so check that out here if you've not seen it already. It's probably one of my favourite videos that I've made. Both of those chargers are already broke. Yeah, it really is true what they say about, you know, buying cheap and buying twice, but oh well. Speaking of my Manga collection, it's been growing pretty quick recently. I just keep finding like insane deals on Manga. Like I bought the whole of Tokyo Ghoul and Tokyo Ghoul Re, so that's like what, 30 volumes for a grand total of £60. Like, you just can't say no to that. And I'm absolutely loving Tokyo Ghoul. I've read all of the first like part, now I'm on to Re. But yeah, it's so good. I feel like the combination of things that I talk about in my videos is just so like vast. Like, I wouldn't say I have any real niche interests, but but I just have a lot of interests and I have a bit of like a weird combination. So thanks everyone for watching my videos, even if sometimes I talk about random stuff, you know, always appreciate it. And the car park is absolutely packed today. Fun bit of trivia, this is the car park where I parked next to the other 2 Aygos that time. And I ideally like to reverse park it if possible, which are words that I never would have thought I'd be saying when I was back in my driving lessons, you know, struggling so much with reverse parking. But once you get used to it, it is so much more convenient. So we'll just stick it on this end space here. I'm pretty sure this is the exact space I parked in, like not too long after I passed. And I came to the cinema with my friend and I must have left my lights on or something because we came back to the whip and the battery had died. Thankfully it sorted itself out after trying for like 5 minutes, but yeah, that was a bit of a panic. Anyway guys, gonna head to the gym, so I'll see you once I'm done. Was that a factory colour then on that Citroen? I've never seen one of them in that colour before. Anyways, we're done at the gym. Decent back session done. Now we're gonna head back. No pun intended. So looks like the heat wave's over, guys. The weather's absolutely miserable today. How do you guys feel about that anyway? That the heat wave's over and it's rainy again? I definitely miss the sunny weather. I just feel like I'm always in a better mood when it's sunny. But the one thing that I am happy about is that the rain has given my car a nice wash, which was much needed because it hadn't rained in like weeks and weeks. I had like that yellow dust like covering my whole car. But yeah, thankfully the rain washed the car and it's looking gleaming again. What's your guys' favourite weather? Let me know in the comments. For me, it just has to be sun. Like around 30 degrees is just perfect for me. Either that or like torrential snow. Anyway guys, I'm gonna wrap the video up here, so hope you've all enjoyed. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more, and I will catch you in the next one.